In this video, I'll show you how to access the Google Play website on your iPhone or iPad. Keep in mind that iOS cannot install Android apps directly from Google Play, but you can add the Google Play website to your home screen for quick access. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. I'll be using Safari. In the search bar, type Google Play and open the official Google Play website. Once the website loads, tap the Share button at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down and select Add to Home Screen. You can rename the shortcut if you'd like. For example, I'll name it Google Play Store. Then tap Add in the top right corner. A Google Play shortcut will now appear on your home screen. Tap at any time to quickly open the Google Play website, where you can browse apps, games, books, and other content. Just remember that Android apps downloaded from Google Play cannot be installed or run on iPhones because iOS and Android use different app systems. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more useful tech guides. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.